Any question up to here, Shabab?
Teacher, the quiz up to here?
Yes. We have said so many times about direct action, reverse action of a controller, right? You guys remember? So many times we say direct action controller, reverse action controller.
E
Right,
equals
Shabab?
SP minus PV.
So what is that? What is that reverse action and direct action?
Error, teacher, error. SP minus PV.
That is the outcome. So we can say for the direct action, the error is PV minus SP. And for the reverse action, the error is SP minus PV, right? But what does it mean?
Teacher,
Yes, student.
teacher,
Yes, please.
we use reverse action always, huh?
Not necessarily. Yeah, until now, yes. But inshallah, we're going to do the other action also, the direct action also. Now see, let us start. What does it mean, direct action and reverse action? What does it mean? Remember this thing, Shabab? Shabab, remember this thing? Rooftop tank?
Yes.
Level indicator transmitter, that is sending signal to the level indicator controller. This is P. Here we apply the set point. Output of the controller is going to I to P converter, and here we put the valve, final control element, and we connect it. We need to find the action of the controller. What is the action of controller here? Thus we want. This loop is complete, Shabab? Is this loop complete, Shabab? This is output of the controller M. Is this loop complete, Shabab? No. Lot of brothers saying no. Yes, why not? It is complete. What is left? Yes, brother, please tell what is left.
Sensor.
PV is there. This is PV. See, this is PV coming from the transmitter. This is PV. Sensor is here in the transmitter. Some brother is saying sensor. Sensor is inside the transmitter. See the first day lecture.
Valve.
Valve. What is valve?
Close or normal open.
Very good. Very good. What
Normally
is your
close,
ID, brother?
teacher, normally close.
Tell me your ID. What is your ID? Who said the first?
562.
804.
562. What is
562.
your
804.
804? Very good, Shiva. Very good. So the type of the wall is not mentioned. That type of the wall is not mentioned. If the type of the wall is not mentioned, this loop is not complete. It is not complete at all. Imagine the wall in your kitchen or in your bathroom. It is normally open or normally closed? Tell me.
Normally closed.
So if it is normally open, what will happen? Imagine. It will make everything dirty, right?
Resistor.
So we need to mention the type of the valve. So what is the type of the valve here, Shabab? Normally closed. The type of the valve here is normally closed. Shabab with me? We are taking it. We are assuming it is normally closed. Brother Awad is asking why it is normally closed. We are assuming. We are
Open loop.
saying it is normally closed.
It was open loop, teacher.
That's good. Okay. Now we need to know the action of the controller. This controller, level indicator controller, it is direct action or reverse action. We need to know. And for this thing, we have a procedure. The procedure has 4 steps. How many steps, Shabab? 4 steps. The first step, assume some PV and SP. Yeah, Shabab, please tell me some SP. What is your SP? Brother Awad, you are saying 50%. Increase it. I want to give you a plus. Make it 90, make it 80. That's good. 80%. Assume it is 80%. What is your PV? Assume right now PV is 50%. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me? Okay.
Yeah.
Here the signal is more than needed or less than needed here. At this point, the signal is more than needed or less than needed? Less. Very good.
Yes.
Because we need 80, it is 50. So it is less than needed. Right, Shabab? It is less than needed. We want it 80, it is 50. Shabab with me? So we want to open the valve more or less?
More.
We want to open this valve more. So more liquid will come and it raise the PV. Right, Shabab? This valve is normally closed. If we remove the signal, we make the signal 0, it will get closed. But what we want?
Signal. We want to be open, teacher.
We want to be open, so we want to increase the signal or decrease the signal?
Of course, increase the signal.
Sorry?
Of
Increase.
course, we want to
Increase the signal. Very good. Not of brother, they are writing increase the signal. So what we want? We want to increase the signal so this valve get more open. See, both arrowheads are opposite. Both arrowheads are opposite. Right, Shabab?
Yeah.
If both arrowheads are opposite, what does it mean? PV output. PV is down, output is up. What does it mean, Shabab? Reverse. What does it mean?
reverse.
Reverse. Somebody can say, because you already know, that's why you choose these values. Okay, no problem. We can make them opposite. We can choose the opposite values. Cancel this value, Shabab. Cancel this value. We are not removing them, so you can remember. Make this one 80, make this one 50. Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, remove these both arrows and remember when it was here, it was what? Reverse. Remember, right?
Yes.
Now the signal here more than needed, less than needed, Shabab.
Less than.
Signal here is right now 80%. We need 50. So it is less than needed, more than needed. More. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are writing more. So it is more than needed. What we want? We want to make it 50. We want to make it 50%. How much is right now?
80.
80. So we want to decrease it. So we need to open the valve more or close more? Yes, Shabab. Close more. So
Close
this is
it.
not the close valve. So should we decrease the signal or increase the signal?
Decrease.
Decrease.
Decrease. Very good. Again, opposite. If the arrows are opposite, what does it mean?
Error equal PV minus set point.
Reverse. Whenever the arrows are opposite, what does it mean? Reverse.
Reverse.
So still you take whichever value, Shabab, you take whichever value of PV, whichever value of SP, it will be always reverse in this given condition. Shabab with me?
Teacher, if the value is same,
Huh? What you said?
If it's same percentage, like 50-50.
PVSP?
Yes.
This is not in the procedure. In the procedure, we take a PV separate and SP separate, not the same. You got my point?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is the starting of the procedure. Okay. If we change the type of the wall, then what will happen? Instead of normally closed, we say this wall is normally open.
Make it
This wall
close,
is
close loop.
normally open. Then what will happen, Shabab?
We'll remove the set point, the controller.
Tell me some PV, Shabab.
Will become direct action.
Yes, very good, very good, very good. Yes, Shabab. Some brothers, Brother Rawad is saying 60%. Please tell me SPV. Please. How much SP? 95%. Very good. One brother is saying 95%. Yes, Shabab. Signal here more than needed, less than needed. Signal here more than needed, less than needed.
Less than needed.
Less than needed. Very good. So we want to open the wall more or close more?
Open more.
Open more. This is normally open wall. If we remove the signal, it will get open. So we're going to decrease the signal or increase the signal?
Decrease.
Increase.
Decrease. Very good. Both arrows are in same direction. If both arrows are in same direction, it is direct action. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me? Both arrows are in same direction. It is direct action. Right, Shabab? Everybody with me?
I have a question.
What is your question? Yes.
At beginning, we have the BB 60 and SP 95. When you ask needed more or less, how do I know that?
See here. What is our PV?
60%,
60%. What is our SP?
95.
95. Here signal more than needed, less than needed.
That's my question. How do I know that?
You want what? You want what? 95%, right?
Make it reach to 95?
That's what you want. That's what you set the set point, right?
Ah, okay. Fine.
So right now you are 60. So you are less than needed or more than needed?
More than needed.
How come more than needed? You are 60. You need 95.
So you focus at SP, not the BB, yes?
That's what I'm saying. The PV you want to bring equal to SP, right?
Yes. So
So right now your PV is more than needed or less than needed?
it will be less than needed.
Less than needed. That's why I put arrowhead down. Right?
Fine.
Give me 1 minute, Shabab. Okay.
يا شباب الحين هو قاعد يكمل شابتر 2 ولا هذه مراجعة؟
درس جديد هذا.
ها؟
Yes, brother. Did I answer your question?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
So here we are less than needed. So we need to open the wall more or close more, Shabab?
More open.
More open. So it will come, the PV come near to 95, right? Okay,
Yes.
This wall is normally open. If it is normally open, we should remove the signal to open it or increase the signal. Yes, Shabab. Decrease the signal or increase the signal? Decrease. Lot of brothers they are writing decrease. So that's why we put the arrowhead down. So output of the controller should be down. So both arrowheads are down. What does it mean? Direct action. Shubha with me? Shubha with me?
Yes.
Why decrease? I think increase, teacher. Of course. Be sure. I ask you because set
Yes,
point.
please ask your question. Please ask.
Okay. Set point 95. Is true. And BV 60. Okay.
Yes.
I want to be the tank will be 95 for an instance.
Yes, you wanna bring the PV near to 95. Yes.
Yes.
So you will open the valve or close the valve?
I will open the valve.
Open the valve, right? The valve is what normally open. The valve is what? Normally
Normally open.
open. So if you remove the signal, it will get open automatically, right?
Yeah.
So you will decrease the signal or increase the signal.
Of course, I want to decrease. I am
That's
sorry.
it. So that's why I am putting the arrowhead down. Decrease. See this.
Yeah. No, I am doing I understand now because I think
That's
the
good.
valve will close.
That's good. That's good, mashallah.
I am sorry.
Okay,
sir.
brother. Now, what is the point here? Before this valve was normally closed, no, it was reverse action. Now it is normally open and it is direct action. So, what is the point here? Point number one, type of the valve. Type of valve. Who will decide direct action, reverse action? Number one, type of the valve. Shubha with me? The same valve, it was normally open. It was normally closed, it was reverse. No, it is normally open, it is direct. Shubha with me?
Yes.
So, number 1 point, type of the valve. This valve is at the inlet or outlet, Shabab? This valve is at the inlet or outlet?
Inlet.
Inlet, very good. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are replying inlet. So if we bring it here outlet, then what will happen? Right now, this valve and these values, it is saying direct action, right? So what we do, we cancel this valve from here. We are not removing it, so you should rack it. But we bring this valve here at the outlet. We bring it here at the outlet, like this. We disconnect the signal from here. We put here I to P converter and bring the signal here. What is the type of the valve? Normally open. Right, Shabab? Everybody with me?
Yes.
That's good. That's good. Brother Awad is replying. Brother Balhat is replying. Lot of brothers, they are replying. Very good. So now, what we need to do? Now the water is coming constant. Water is coming constant. There is no valve here. We cancel this valve. This valve is cancelled. Water is coming constant and leaving from here. Same values. Right, Shabab? Here signal more than needed, less than needed. Here signal more than needed, less than needed, Shabab.
It's less than needed.
Less than needed. We already know. Okay, now we need to open the valve more or close the more to bring 95.
You have to close it.
Close the more. Very good. Very good. Okay, this valve is normally open. If I remove this signal, it will get open. So we need to increase the signal or decrease the signal.
Increased.
Decrease the signal. Are you sure? If we decrease the signal, what will happen? It will get more open. So you want to open it or close it?
Close it, teacher.
So we should increase the signal. Lot of brothers they are writing. So we should increase the signal or decrease the signal?
Increase the signal.
Increase. Very good. We need to increase the signal. If because this valve is what, Shabab? This valve is normally open. If we remove the signal, it will get more open. What we want? We want to more close. So we need to increase the signal so it get more close. So both arrowheads are opposite now. So if the arrowheads are opposite, what does it mean?
Reverse.
Reverse. Very good. So if we change the location of the wall, the direct action become the reverse because of the location. What was the location before? Before what the location, Shabab? At the inlet, right? Now we put it at the outlet. Now we put it at the outlet. So at the inlet, the action was, the controller action was direct. If we put the same wall at the outlet, the action of the controller become reverse. Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher.
Any question up to here, Shabab? So what is the conclusion? Two things are there. Number one, the type of the wall. Number two, location of wall. Two things are there. Type of the wall and location of the wall. They decide the action is a direct or reverse. And how we say? If the both arrowheads are opposite, it is reverse. If the both arrowheads are same, it is direct. So how many things decide, Shabab? It is direct action or reverse action? How many things decide?
Two things.
Which one?
Reverse, direct first, then reverse.
Huh?
Which
How
is
many
that-
things decide it is reverse action or direct action? How many things? Very good. Two things. Yes, brother Awad. Which one? Two.
Type of wall, location of wall.
Type of wall. Very good. Type of wall. Type of wall mean what? Normally open or normally
normal.
closed. And
Location of wall.
location of wall. Inlet or outlet. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
And if the both arrowheads are opposite, they are in opposite direction, we say reverse. If the both arrowheads are in same direction, we say direct.
Direct.
And we thought these two things, PV and M. What is PV, Shabab? What is PV? PV is what?
Processor variable.
Process variable. And what is M?
Signal.
Set
major signal.
Huh?
point.
What is M? Where is M?
Measurement, teacher.
Output of the controller.
Output of
Output.
Manipulated variable. Manipulated. M is from manipulated. Manipulated variable. Output of the controller. Manipulated variable. Calculated variable. Very good. Very good. Brother Awad is writing calculated variable, manipulated variable, M. Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher. So
Any question of yours, Shabab, please ask.
teacher, can
Yes.
I summarize? If DV, they have different direction and the output have different direction. They are in reverse.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. I understand.
Sir, I have a question about something we studied previous. About open loop and closed loop. I guess
If you want to ask this question, either you send me by email or you ask me in the lab.
okay, just to
Got my
make sure, before coming exam to study well, as you know.
Sorry?
I said that to make sure about that information.
Yeah, no problem. You can ask out of the class, you can ask anything, no problem. From the first lecture, second lecture, third lecture, out of the class you can ask anything. But in the class, ask me this question, you know. Otherwise, we're gonna be behind. We are already behind. You get my point, brother?
Okay, fine.
Sure.
Out of the class, you ask me whatever you want, even calculus, instrumentation, measurement one, no problem. But please, in the class, we discuss our syllabus. Yes, brother.
Teacher, this example is in the chapter 2 or in chapter 1?
This example in chapter 3.
Okay.
You have the chapter with you?
You mean the book?
Yeah, you have the book with you?
Yes, yes, I have the book.
Yeah. Open the chapter 3, page 8, page 9, 10, 11, 12. You saw it?
Yes, yes, teacher.
Okay, that's good. Yes, brothers, any question up to here? Please ask.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, Shabab, now I will make it normally close. And now you guys gonna tell me it is direct action, reverse action, and get the first with logic, not without logic. You're gonna give me the logic, complete procedure, and get the first. Yes, yes, Shabab. Tell me some PV, PVSP.
45. PP.
45.
PV 45 and SP
60.
60%. Yes. Who wanna try?
Can
Who
I
want
try?
to try? Signal here, more than needed, less than needed.
Because normal close, we need signal teacher. Yeah.
Signal here, more than needed, less than needed.
Of
Less
course.
than needed.
Less than needed, teacher.
More
We need
than
60, 45, less than needed. Right?
Right.
no.
We need to open one more or close more.
No, we need
Close more, teacher. You will
Close more.
Close more. So this is normally close valve. So we should remove the signal or increase the signal.
increase the signal.
Yes, Shabab, decrease or increase the signal.
Decrease.
Decrease, teacher.
If we decrease the signal, it will automatically get the close, right?
Yeah.
Both arrowhead are down. So what is
Yeah.
it? It is right
Direct.
now.
Direct.
Direct. No, teacher. Direct.
Any brother has any confusion, please ask. Shabab with me?
1 minute. Yeah.
No, if you Shabab see the page 12, there is a table on the page 12. Please open the page 12.
Okay.
Everybody with me, open the page 12, Shabab.
Yes, teacher.
Wall location, wall type, direct or reverse. Everybody is here?
Yes, teacher.
No, this table is just for given 4 cases. Shabab with me? This table is not universal. You cannot apply it anywhere. This table is just for given 4 cases as we discuss here. In the exam, if this question comes, you need to apply the procedure. You need to take the PV, SP, you need to write this signal more than needed, less than needed. You need to say you want to open the valve more or you want to close the valve more, and then you will decide it is direct action or reverse action. Shabab with me?
Okay, teacher.
In the exam, lot of brothers, what they do, as soon as they see this example, they will say, because of this table given in the book. No, this table you cannot give the reference. This table is just for given 4 cases that we discuss here. This table you cannot say because of this table it is direct or reverse. So whenever this question is coming, you need to start it with PV, SP, suppose some PV, suppose some SP, then say here the signal more than needed or less than needed, then say here you want to open the valve more or close the valve more, and then decide it is direct action or reverse action. Shiva with me?
Yes, teacher. So this
And
valve
if you
is
see the book, in the book, all the 4 cases I explain. I explain them one by one and I write them one by one, all the 4 cases, right? So whenever you get this question, you need to explain the same way. Shiva with me?
Teacher,
Yes, please.
in this case, the valve, does it supply the tank or does it empty the tank? Because
That is empty the tank. It is at the outlet. The
okay,
fluid is coming from here. The fluid is coming from here. No, there is no control here, right?
yes sir.
No, here it is wild. Here it is wild. No, this is at the outlet. So this is controlled here. Here we have put the valve here. So it is controlled here. Here it is wild. With me?
Yes, yes.
So here it is supplying the water. Maybe it is going towards the kitchen, maybe bathroom. If it is in the industry, maybe this fluid is being used by some process. Right,
Okay,
Shabbat?
I understand now. Thank you. Thank
Any
you.
other brother,
Clear,
please
clear.
ask the question.
teacher. I
Yes,
have
please.
CB is down.
Sorry?
CB set point here is I'm sorry. DV is down, teacher. Here. Is it true?
I did not get your clear voice. Can you please repeat, please?
DV teacher and M they have a different direction here. Outlet
This
and
PV and SP values, they are just procedure. They are not playing in the role for the direct or reverse action. They are just the values. You can change them. You can put whichever value you want. You get my point?
Yes, I get your point.
So you want to change the values, we can change the values. Tell me some value, whatever you want. Please tell me what value you want.
15, 50.
Please tell me what is your point. Yes,
60,
60. Okay. What is your PV?
35.
35. Okay. Right?
Yes.
So signal here more than needed, less than needed here.
Because normally close.
No, here. First tell me the signal here, PV. This PV is coming here. The signal is more than needed or less than needed here?
Less than.
Less than needed. Very good. Less than needed. What do you want? You want to increase PV to 60%, right?
Yes.
So you need to close this valve or open this valve?
Of course, close.
Close. So this is normally closed valve. So you will decrease the signal or increase the signal?
Of course, decrease the signal.
Decrease the signal. That's it. So what you are saying? This is which action?
Okay.
This is which action?
Where I think direct.
Direct. Both the arrowheads are same direction. So it is direct action.
Direct, yes, direct.
You are welcome. Yes, brother. Any other brother has any question? Please ask.
Thank you. I get my point, teacher.
Yes, Shabab. Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask. So actually in chapter 3, Shabab, we have 5 main topics. How many main topics we have in chapter 3?